हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं इस वीडियो में बीए फर्स्ट ईयर फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी फर्स्ट यूनिट का दूसरा टॉपिक शेयर कर रही हूँ। इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ इंटीरियर नॉलेज इज लिमिटेड, टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर इंक्रीज विथ डेप्थ ऑफ माइन 9 किलोमीटर ओनली, डेप्थ ऑफ मैग्मा चेंबर 64 kilometer only. Analysis on the basis of seismic waves. Earthquake waves, two types: primary waves, secondary waves. Move fast through solid and slow through liquid. यानी प्राइमरी वेव्स जो है वो सॉलिड और लिक्विड दोनों में ही मूव कर सकती है. सेकेंडरी वेव्स मूव्स ओनली थ्रू solid. This picture show magma chamber. Magma chamber plate motion, asthenosphere, lithosphere, oceanic crust, oceanic sediments, sea level, depth kilometer, sea level 0 kilometer, depth 100 kilometer, 0 to 100 between magma chamber. Flat motion area. Layers of earth. Upper layer is crust, second layer is mantle, and last and largest depth layer is core. Crust is outermost layer divided into two sublayers: Sial, Sima. Sial, ocean crust is Sial. Sima, continental crust is Sima. Age 4500 million years ago. Sima 3600 million years or Sial 200 million years. Depth up to 40 km. Average density 2.9 gram प्रति घन सेंटीमीटर. Crust average density. Sial, the oceanic crust. Si. Sial, first two word Si. Si mean as silicon and last two word Al means aluminum. Silicon, aluminum added Sial. High density, iron and calcium are also present. Younger part of crust 200 million years old. Sima, the continental crust. Si, first two word Si, silicon, same, and Ma, magnesium. Silicon, magnesium content added Sima. Low density, aluminum, potassium, sodium. Older part of the crust 3600 million years. Layer of crust: continental crust, oceanic crust. This picture show continental crust, oceanic crust. Oceanic crust or Sial very dense, made of basalt. Continental crust or Sima less dense, made of granite. Crust, point to remember. Crust layer is outermost layer. Crust layer Divided subdivisions: Sial, Sima. Sial, oceanic crust. Sima, continental crust. Oceanic crust, very dense, younger in age. Sima, continental crust, less dense, older in age. Mantle forms the second layer. Mantle. Second layer of the interior of the earth. Mantle layer is two sublayers, upper mantle, lower mantle. Thickness varies between 35 km to 2900 km. Average density is 4.5 gram prati gun centimeter. Upper portion of mantle and crust together known as lithosphere. Lower mantle, asthenosphere. Upper mantle is solid in state. Thickness of upper mantle is 40 to 400 km. Lithosphere about 100 km thickness of lithosphere. Broken into plates, 7 major plates and 12 minor plates. Asthenosphere. Asthenosphere located in high temperature, melting of rocks, convectional currents. Lower mantle, molten, is stage, thickness 400 km, 2900 km. Also known as mesosphere. Lies below the asthenosphere. This picture shows mantle layer. Upper mantle, lower mantle. Oceanic plates, continental plate is the upper part. Rigid outer layer of the mantle. The red color show is rigid outer layer of the mantle. Convection current in the mantle. Yellow color is show outer core and white color is show inner core. Mantle points to remember second layer of the earth divided into two, upper mantle, lower mantle. Upper mantle and crust forms lithosphere. Conventional currents are found in asthenosphere. Core forms the third layer. Core, third layer of the earth, formed by nickel and iron, also called as Fe, Ni, nickel, Fe, ferrous and iron, two parts, outer core and inner core. Temperature is 11,000 degrees centigrade. Inner core is in solid state. Core divided in two layers, inner core, outer core. Inner core is molten in stage, whereas outer core solid in stage. Inner core depth varies from 2900 km to 5150 km, whereas outer core located in high temperature and high pressure. Density of inner core is 10.7 gram प्रति घन centimeter. Depth varies from of outer core is 5,150 km to 6,371 km. Density of outer core is 15 gram प्रति घन centimeter. This picture show of core. Core divided two layers. One layer outer core, second layer inner core. Crust, mantle, upper part of the earth surface is crust. Just below of crust is located mantle layer. Or mantle located upper part of the core. Core divided two layers. First layer outer core, second layer inner core. 4 points to remember. Third layer of earth, core divided into two, inner and outer core. Outer core molten stage, whereas inner core solid unstaged and high temperature and pressure. This picture earth and egg, crust, mantle, core. Whereas egg, yolk, egg white and shell. Shell means crust, egg white means mantle, egg whole means core. Summary table: name of the layer, subdivisions, thickness, density, temperature. Comparative study of crust, mantle between core. Crust, subdivisions, sial and sima, whereas mantle, upper mantle and lower mantle, core, outer core and inner core. Thickness of crust 8 to 40 km, sial, sima 16 km. Density of crust 2.8 gram प्रति घन centimeter, 2.9 gram प्रति घन centimeter. Temperature of crust increase at a rate of 1 degree Celsius per 32 meters. Thickness of mantle about 100 km, upper mantle, lower mantle about 2800 km. Density of mantle 3 to 11 gram प्रति घन centimeter. Temperature of mantle 2200 degrees Celsius approximately. Thickness of core about 2150 km. Inner core about 2150 km. Density of core 11 to 10 gram प्रति घन centimeter. 5000 degrees Celsius approximately temperature of core. This picture shows interior of the earth core studies. Lithosphere, crust and uppermost solid mantle. Mantle, at last core. Crust thickness 0 to 100 km thick. Asthenosphere, crust and mantle. Core depth starting to 2900 km. At last 6378 km. Core divided outer core and inner core. Very important pick of interior of this study. Thanks.